Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Copper to import contacts from Google Contacts step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Copper website. Click on the login button in the top right corner. Enter your email address associated with your Copper account. Input your password in the designated field. Click the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the main dashboard. In the left sidebar, find and select the Contacts option. Click on the Import button. Choose Import from Google Contacts. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to connect your Google account. Click on the Connect with Google button. You will be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Enter your Google email address and click Next. Input your Google account password and click Next. You may be asked to review the permissions and click Allow. Once permissions are granted, return to Copper. Select the contacts you wish to import from your Google Contacts. Click the Import button to begin the process. Wait for the import to complete. Once finished, you will receive a confirmation message. Your Google Contacts will now be available in Copper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.